everybody. It is Monday, February 10th, currently 7:05. Just finished my kickboxing lesson. Oh man, that was a tough one, but we're getting better, getting a lot better. I want to get a little bit stronger on my kicks. They're already pretty strong, but my left side's a little weak compared to my right side. Also, I shouldn't get so tired. I need to get my stamina up. But I'm getting there. Goal for this week is all 5 days. And we're gonna set the pace this week, 5 days, and every other week, 5 days at least. Because I know before I trained 7 days a week, but nowhere near as difficult per session as this one. So doing 5 days a week, intense training, then Saturday or Sunday I'll go for like a 4 or 5 mile run, maybe 1 hour run. I think I'll get better, but man, my legs feel really powerful. I need to stretch more too. I think that's gonna be the next phase, is once I get my physicality up, my routine, then we're gonna have stretching sessions every evening or something. Cool. Car drives a lot smoother, I feel, in general. Oil needed about a day to kind of get throughout the engine, but definitely a lot smoother. So I have a couple meetings this morning, my team, work, then machinist is coming in. Yesterday night I boiled some eggs. Gonna eat those. Along with the 5 days training, we really got to get more protein and good food in. I don't want to eat junk food anymore this week. I'm gonna eat home cooked food, good quality food. So just feel a lot better in general. Next month we'll try to attend a sparring session. The guys at the sparring session are intense. I went last time and on accident. I didn't know it was sparring, but they are intense. I'm gonna try and spar a little bit with them. Just light. I'll see you guys back at the studio. Cold shower number 51 complete. Whew. Damn, getting better. Whew. Alright, so we got, it's on the menu. Got boiled eggs. Make some chai. The meeting got pushed to 8:30. Awesome. Peel this while boiled chai. So, cold shower thoughts for today. I don't know, but life's getting good. Life's getting better. I feel great. I think one of the main things you have to do to be successful is you got to take care of your body and you got to take care of your health. You cannot neglect your health. I mean, if you don't feel good, then no matter what you do or who relies on you, you won't be able to perform. If you don't feel your best in any area, I mean, intellectually, physically, anything. So you got to take care of yourself. You got to do the best possible job you can to eat healthy, stay physically fit, and improve your immunity. All of these things play a very dramatic role in your success. In general, in life, if you have a strong body, you have a strong mind. If you have a healthy body, you have a healthy mind, and then you'll be able to perform when the people need you. Or when people need you to perform, you'll be able to perform. I guarantee, for example, let's say you are an intellectual, you're an engineer or a scientist or anything, right? I guarantee you, if you're physically fit, you will do a better job than if you're not physically fit. It's all tied in. And if your body's healthy, you can think more clearly. So stay physically fit. Do your very best to take care of your body. You only get one body. Do your best to take care of it. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Let me finish breakfast, then see you later. Hey everybody, back from work. I ended up just getting back, changing, eating some dinner, and it's 8 o'clock. I'm relaxing. I'm super tired for some reason. I only slept about 4.5 to 5 hours yesterday, so I just call it a day earlier. Tired, man. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 51 done.